Today we're going to be going through the Amazon brand registry process. I encourage you to follow along or save this video and come back later to review the video and to make sure you haven't missed any steps. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you need to. Okay, so the first step of what we're actually going to do is you're actually going to click these three lines on the top left of Seller Central right here, and you're going to go to Brands and click on Brand Registry. Okay, and after that you'll see this screen right here, and you're going to click on Register Your Brand. Okay, and just ignore this stuff here if you don't have multiple. This is essentially if you have multiple trademarks registered with Amazon. Instead, all you need to do is click right here is Enroll Your Brand. Then you're going to go again right here, Enroll Your Brand. And here, brand name, Little White Box. Okay. Case sensitive, guys, remember, so what that basically means is if there's capital letters in your brand, make sure you use those capital letters, and this should match up with whatever you've already done in GS1, as well as the USPTO. We also have videos about, setting up a UPC with GS1, as well as setting up your brand or trademark through USPTO. So be sure to check out those videos if you're curious. Okay, so your registration number, this is essentially what you get back from the USPTO. So when you submit for trademark, they will send you an email, and that email will have your serial number in it. So I'm just going to grab my serial number here and just kind of put it in. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just going to paste your serial number right here, and you're going to click on Verify. And it is verified, so it's a good serial number. So categories for your brand. So basically you're going to just scroll through this list and find your brand category, whatever category you want to sell in. For me, I'm going to select grocery and gourmet food. Okay, next line, enter your URL, your brand's official site. This is optional. If your brand is on e-commerce platform, enter URL. This is optional. Remember, guys, give them as little as possible, okay? Don't overdo it with Amazon. Give them exactly what they need. Next, you're gonna actually upload images of your product. What they're gonna need is product packaging with your logo on it. It shouldn't be photoshopped. It should be permanently adhered to the packaging. So you can either click right here to upload, or you could just drag and drop it. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag and drop it. There it is, there's my packaging right here. And then you're gonna go to next. Selling account information. So are you the seller or a vendor for the brand you're actually enrolling? So after you select yourself as the seller, it's going to bring you to this screen automatically. It's going to bring you to manufacturing and distribution information screen. So does your brand sell to distributors? No. Where are your brand's products distributed? And here we're going to just select the United States. Submit. Okay. Does your brand license trademarks to others who manufacture products associated with your intellectual property? No. Unless you do, guys, but I'm assuming you don't. So basically now the trademark application is under review. What Amazon may do is actually come back and ask you for some invoices. So have invoices ready in case Amazon comes back and asks for invoices. So essentially invoices would be from your factory, and those invoices should include all the brand information. And so you're essentially showing chain of custody for your own products. They haven't asked for it yet, but they may come back and ask for it later. So after you see the screen, all you have to do is just click done, and you wait. So there you have it, guys. It is that simple to enroll your brand in Amazon Brand Registry, as long as you have all the right documentation and know what to actually fill into some of these different categories and boxes. Now we're gonna sit tight and wait till we get our brand registry approved. And once we do, we're actually going to start creating listings. So during the next video, we're actually gonna show you how to create listings for this new brand. If you guys have any questions or comments, please start a conversation down below in the comments.